All right, y'all, welcome back. We are about to check out part two of today's session. First session wasn't that good. We took some losses, had a little bit of hesitation, but we've decided that we're going to come back for part two of the day and finish this day off strong. Okay, so let's get it done here. We got plowed in, tons of snow, like crazy, ridiculous amounts of snow. So I had to go shovel my wife out of the driveway. But let's get back on. So we're currently down, what is it, $300 on the day. But we are going to reevaluate this and execute exactly how we're supposed to do it. All right. So the second half of the day, let's just do a quick little recap. We had tons of sellers that came into the market here, push price down like crazy. We fall below previous day low, but buyers took control of the ball. Okay. So one thing I'm noticing here is we just came up into a key level right here. This is what we call our AOV. So I'm going to be watching to see here if sellers can sustain strength for a move down to EOD and PDL. Now, if buyers take back control of end of day, we could then start to see a push up with this inverse head and shoulders right here, right? We got left shoulder, head, possible right shoulder. But as of right now, the cloud is still green. So let's see what we get. Make sure. Let everyone know here. Part two of the day. All right, cool. So I do like what sellers look like right here. And I like that the Fibonacci, the 50% held, right? So I do like sellers as of right now on NQ. As a matter of fact, let's see here. Got a nice push. Fall below EOD. SPY, we're still above end of day. So let's see what we get right here. Tesla, NQ sellers right here. I'm liking it. I like where the 1 hour trend is too. Honestly, I'm something small here on NQ. Let's see if we can get a little push. I'm going to put my stop right above the previous 2 minute. We're looking for a move down to previous day low here on NQ. Let's see what we get. I like that the Fibonacci held right here on NQ. Okay. So once again, let me go back over here. 5 minute time frame. Very strong push to the downside. And we actually just took a short play out of this AOV. So now I'm going to give it a little test here. Something small, 3 contracts. See if these sellers can sustain. And in all reality, what I'm trying to do here is play with that 1 hour trend to the downside. All right, let's see here. Let's see here what we get. Let's see if we can finish this day off pretty good. I'm trading 2 accounts. I got my little copy trader going on right here. So let's see if we can finish this week off strong, playing off AOVs and using our moving averages. Let's go. Let's go, Todd. Let's play with these sellers right here. You know, and that's the reality of trading, right? Like you're going to have mornings where you're not feeling it, right? You ain't seeing things correctly. And it's really just, you know, it's part of the game, right? The important thing is be able to step away, get your head right, come back, reevaluate, and see what the market gives you. Just a little above that candle. Just a little above it, right? We want to make sure buyers can't push above that guy. What's SPY do? SPY, we got pretty similar price action right here. Getting a little push up. I want to make sure that this 20 holds, right? You guys see this 20? I want to make sure that guy holds. If we get a push into it and she holds, I may even throw another 3 micros on it, our minis. Let's see. Let's see if we can play our moving averages here to the downside. Let's see if she could dump. Let's see if she could dump. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, Nazzy. Come on, Nazzy. It's funny. So my daughter left her. So she got a snow day today because we got absolutely obliterated with snow. But she left her snow gear at school. So I had to wake up, shovel the driveway, make her a little bit of breakfast, bring her back to school to get her clothes, then come back in time so my wife could take my car to go get her hair done. The weekend's starting good. I like it. All right, sellers. What you doing, sellers? What you doing, sellers? What my buyers doing? Oh, okay. ES is trying to hold a little bit. If I get a GBI right here on NASDAQ, I am definitely going to be interested in adding into this position short. If not, obviously, I'll end up getting stopped out of the trade. But let's see. That 9 is actually pulled up a little bit too. So if I do get stomped out of this, it does make a little bit of sense. Not risking a lot here. Nothing crazy. Down below EOD. Let's see. Yeah, that 20's holding on SPY though. Let me see what the 1 hour looks like on SPY. Yeah, the fall below EOD and PDL. This strong push to the downside. It might just be that little spring that buyers needed, but let's see. I'm really putting a lot of faith into my 1 hour trend right here. A GBI right here, and I'm definitely going to look to add in to this short play. Let's see. We're in a short right here. Got our stop above this 5-minute candle at 11:55. GBI, and I'm adding in. No GBI, and we'll just target PDL. Ooh, it's starting to look pretty. She's starting to look a little pretty. She's looking a little more prettier. Need to blow through it. I agree, Todd. I agree. Let's see. I got real big plans, baby. For you and me. For who I am and who we will want to be. All right, Nazzy. What you doing? We got to break that low and continue. Break that low and continue. GBI, I'll add in. What we got left on this 5-minute candle? Let's see. Like 2 minutes. I don't like that bounce on ES. I don't. But that's all right. You can always find something you don't like about the trade. You always find something. I like that 1 hour trend. I like how the ALV was respected. I like the ALV retests. I like that we're below EO end of day. Let's see. Oh, we actually, too. I don't want to forget about this. Oh, I see what's happening here. So we got ourselves an AOV right here. That's why them buyers picked up right there. All right. So let's see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Like this. Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Something light. Bump the stop down probably. Let's see here. See if we can get a little continuation. And we're going to play here to the downside. Something light, nothing crazy. Just to get the feet back in the water. Right? We're just trying to get the feet back into the water over here. Trying to test the waters a little bit. See what we get. I'm watching this on SPY. Okay, let's watch that. What the beak? Yeah, D, I'm just trying to wet the beak a little bit. Wet the beak, man. You can't just dive all in. You gotta wet the beak a little bit. It's really probably, what is it, 12? Yeah, we'll see how this day, or we'll see how the volume, what the market gives us. But we got the tools to make the bread we got to make. So I'm watching the 20 here on the 5. I want to see sellers close below that for on SPY to support my short play here on NQ. All right, so now too, you can see my stop is just a little above the previous 5-minute candle. I think that's really all I got to risk to be able to know sellers still got the ball, right? A GBI here, guys. Remember, if I get a green bar that's ignored, I will add into the short play. Yeah, we'll risk 100 to see how this plays out. I like that 1 hour trend. 1 hour trend still trying to push down. SPY. That 20, they are holding that so far. They are not holding the 9, right? So NQ is a little bit similar. We're coming up, we're retesting end of day. If sellers can show a little bit of strength right here, we could get a possible move down, right? We're going to put the stop a little above the 5, the previous 5. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Might get stomped out, or sellers might hold it, right? Let's see. I like seeing that selling right there off end of day. I would absolutely love a GBI right here. A GBI for NQ would be perfect for a short play. But we'll see. Let's see how it plays out here. Yeah, this is volume seems like it's getting a little wacky. I like that retest to EOD. I like it. Let me see what SPX looks like here. SPX. SPX coming up. Yeah, it's right on that 20. SPX is giving me bullish vibes, honestly. But let's see. We do have this guy right here. Which is, you know, sellers are definitely trying a little bit. Let's see what the fib is on this move down. Oh, we're right at the fib here for a short play on SPY. This is key. This is key. Same with NQ. We are right at the Fibonacci retracement. Right at the fib. Retesting end of day. We're literally at end of day right here. Getting that nice little retest. We got nice push. Nice push. Break and retest here off EOD. Definitely a good battle. Definitely a really good battle here. We're going to get some good price action, guys. We're going to get some good price action. Yeah, give me a big red candle right here. Wipe it all out. Wipe it all out. Yeah, ES is, look at ES, man. ES is, our SPY is holding that 20. NQ is definitely telling a little different story. NQ is a lot more bearish than SPY right now. NQ is definitely like, you know, sellers are trying here. What's up, Key? What's up, Suge? What's up, babe? What's up, babe? Come on, Suge. Come on, Key. What my sellers gonna do? What they gonna do? All right. Notice SPY couldn't get above that fib. Remember, guys, a GBI right here, and I'll add in. I will add in. What's up, baby? What's up, Key? Yeah, look at SPX here. It's a touchy one because my brain is programmed. If you hold the 20 EMA, you trade with the 20. But it's a little touchy here. Just definitely a little touchy. It bounced off this AOV. We need selling here. We need selling pressure. Selling pressure. We need some selling pressure. There it goes. A little bit. Look at my cat right now. Look at this. She's like, dude, I'm just trying to chill. She's like, I'm just trying to chill. Like, dude, Josh, let me chill. If you guys ever see like weird messages in the Discord, it's because this one right here. She hops right on my computer and tries to sleep on it because it's warm. Yeah, baby. All right, I'm throwing 3 on this. And it's a little sketchy, but I'm gonna add into it. I'm gonna keep my word, and I'm gonna play this GBI right here. I'm gonna play this GBI, and I got my stop right above that guy. We need SPY to dump. We need her to dump. We need her to dump, baby. Oh, there comes a dump. Here comes a dump. Get rid of this thing. That thing's killing me. All right, let's get the dump here. So we'll get let's see. Can I do a buy? All right, I'm in short. So let's take 3 off like right here. All right, looks good. We're looking good, guys. We're looking good. We're looking good. Clean GBI. That 1 hour trend's holding pretty good. So let's see here if we can get some continuation here. Once again, I'm not loving SPY, but so be it. Don't care. Can't be scared your whole life. 1 hour trend is looking pretty good. We might be able to get a move to PDL. Potentially. Potentially. All right. I want to make sure my stop is above the candle that was ignored. That's key. So I'm going to keep my stop right there, right above that candle, the previous 5 minute. SPY is just trying to suck the market up right now. It's being a little annoying, but it is what it is. I'm hoping SPY comes up back into this level and just tanks. This is why it's also very important that you keep your stop right above the previous 5-minute bar. All right, so we are in short on NQ, and we're looking for a little push to the downside right here. Are we at the 2-minute 20 on ES? We got to break that. We need to break that. We need to break it. Oh, look, that's exactly what we wanted right there. Sellers come in here, guys. We're going to get that strong push to the downside. Let's get that push. Get the push. I said GBI. I have to take that. I got to short that. Bump that stop down a little bit. My 2-minute 20 on NQ has been a champ. Look at that. Hold, hold, hold. Bro, SPY is being a massive cunt. Why are you being a bitch, SPY? We need NQ EOD to hold. And once again, guys, my stop is a little above this guy right here. So we're looking for this candle. We're looking for sellers to hold this. SPY is trying to push the market up higher, but we're looking for this box to hold. All right. 2-minute 20 needs to hold. If not, I'll scale out. But we're looking for this to hold. Look, you guys see that? See how it comes right up into that EMA right there? Comes up, and then you see selling pressure. That's what we want to see. We want to see continued selling pressure, pushing her down. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see. Give me the push. Give me the push. Yeah, see, there's definitely sellers up there. And you know what the important thing to remember too is there's just no way to know. There's no way to know everything perfect. Damn, is that an RBI right there on SPY? I don't care because we in MQ, baby. We in NQ, and our 2-minute 20 is holding well. What you gonna do, mate? You gonna clip me? All right, let's see if EOD can hold here. This is key. This is important. It doesn't look good. But we are going to see if it can play out the correct way. Right? We got sellers. We got a GBI, and we're below EOD, and we're respecting the fib. So it is what it is. We got it. We got to give this a shot. If buyers take this, we'll look for longs to the upside. Right? It's a win-win. No matter what, the way I like to look at it, it's a win-win. If I get clipped, I don't care. I just need to know who's got the ball. I'm watching this. If we respect this, I'm going to put on another 3. If we respect this 20, I'm going to add another 3 onto this. I know it's a little sketchy. The 20 is kind of flat too. So maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Yeah, I may. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. Oh, yeah. This is the consolidation phase right here. It's just a massive. Oh, that's not good. I am going to. We closed above the 20 on that. I'm going to probably bump my stop I don't need to risk that much more. Oh, look at that, though. Come on. Come on. Come on, sellers. What we doing? What's SPY doing? Dude, SPY is like barely moving. So this is still bearish. We're in the AOV. The green bar that's ignored. We're inside the AOV. We're below end of day. We're looking for these sellers to hold this. So it is what it is. Everything's still going according to plan. Oh, let's go. You see how the AOVs hold? You see how the AOVs hold? Look at that. That's beautiful. Damn near beautiful. Damn near beautiful. Breakout above the 20, false break, clean rejection. Okay, green bar ignored. Look how bearish we closed right there. Oh, let's go. Throwing another. Might be stupid, but let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You got to go for that. You got to. That candle closed so damn bearish. You got to go for it. All right, so we got a 9-pack here. Looking for a push into. Okay, so that's. All right, so we. All right, let's get that push down. I'm going to tighten that up, trying to secure some profits here because this is it's an important area of value right here. I don't want to play too retarded into it. This little RBI right here. What's up, babe? Okay, go ahead. See if we could shave 3 off this here at the low. I don't like this AOV right here. But if we can get a sell-off into it, that'd be very clutch. All right, that looks good. Probably time to bump the stop. I like seeing that 1 hour trend hold. 1 hour trend's trying to hold. We need these sellers to continue to hold this, though. We need them. We need them. There it goes. She's choppy. I do not like that. I don't. It's not pretty. That might be the exhausting. I'm just going to put my stop above that guy. If we get clipped, we get clipped. We need this 20 to hold. Choppy ass market, man. The stop's it's got to go outside the box. Otherwise, I'm wasting money. All right, 20 tried to hold. I'm looking to shave 3 off at the bottom of that candle. If I could just, that way, it's not as daring. Oh, these sellers are still here, though. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Shug. Super choppy market. That trend's still holding, though. She's still trying to hold. I don't like what I feel like buyers are trying a little bit, though, at these lows. And it's because, oh, look at SPY. Look at SPY. Is this the 5-minute on SPY? Oh, you better not close above that 20. There we go. You better not close above that 20. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. She gonna close below it. She gonna close below it. She gonna close below it. Oh, there we go, guys. Come on. Come on. All right, shaving. Look at that. Shit the bed. Come on, shit the bed for Pop. Shit the bed for Papa. Oh, you what? What? Come on, mate. Come on, Suge. Choppy ass market, dude. That's all right. Look how bearish SPY's looking. That's all right. Oh, all right. It clipped me out of 3. We got 6 more. Bump the stop down. Come on, sellers. Where you at? Where you at, sailors? All right. So now, we've trimmed the position a little bit. We can breathe a little bit. We're literally only risking $88 here. Put the stop right where it needs to go. She's choppy, guys. She's choppy. But when the market's choppy, I go, all right. But what's it telling me? Right? Well, right here, green bar ignored, right? So what is this? Is this bullish or is it bearish? This is bearish, okay? So when I see this, I'm like, oh! There she goes. Come on, Suge. See if we can get back in profit here. All right, so this is key. Look at this. Let's go. Let's go. Coming into the AOV right here, though. This is important. Oh, drop it. Drop the stop. Drop the take profit. We getting paid. We getting paid. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right, coming into a key level. I don't want to go completely retarded right here. How do we want to play this? How do we want to play it? 220, 240. I just gotta let her do her thing. I don't care. That's the candle, Todd. That's the candle. All right, look at NQ, guys. We're coming into PDL. This is very important. I don't want to risk. Shit. I should have left my take profit right where it was. No, I shouldn't have. Just let it do its thing. Can't be scared. That 1 hour trend's bearish, baby. We're letting this go. We're letting this go. Can't be scared your whole life. All right, I'm going to use the 2-minute 5 for my stop. I think this is very bearish. But you guys see what I'm talking about, right? We got this red bar that's ignored right here, this zone. It's an AOV. So if buyers are going to show up, it's got to be at PDL. It's got to be. But if sellers take PDL, like they're trying to, we're going to get a push. We're going to get a push. That's what I'm thinking, Todd. I'm hoping to have some follow through. Look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is looking pretty bearish. PDL is very important right here. So let's see. Stop above the previous 2-minute candle. It might be retarded, but it is what it is. Let's see what we get. I'm going to do a set of push-ups. Is it really going to clip me? Oh my God, dude. Look at the buyers out of that level. Holy shit. All right, off to 20, off to 2-minute 20. All right, we're in it now, so let's just let it play out. Just let it play out. If buyers take it, they take it. So be it. It's just a big candle. I ain't afraid of it. The 1 hour trend's telling me it's still bearish. If we hold this, I'll add in. I know that ain't the smartest move, but you know what? I'm not the smartest individual. Unfortunately, it's not the smart guys that make money in trading. It's the bold ass motherfuckers that and when they get in good trades, they just press them. That's what I'm trying to do right here. Just press it. What's the 2-minute 20 telling us? Depending on how this candle closes, we'll know. We don't trade emotion, we trade the process. Ooh. Ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are get brighter. Look at that massive candle out of that AOV. That's the fake out. That's the fake out. Watch. A lot of people are going long right here. Again. See what happens. I know it's sketchy. I know it's definitely sketchy. But let's see if we can get a little push here to the downside. Can she hold? Can she hold? She's probably gonna wick right into this AOV and reverse. Oh, hit me. Hit EOD. And she's probably gonna reverse. All right. So now we're gonna kick over to ES. That was a good move, but it just the buyers down there just came out of nowhere. It's a choppy ass market, dude. Honestly, these are markets I usually just step away from and be done with. There's really no look at ready. It's gonna frickin' reverse. Should have kept it right above end of day right there, guys. The stop. Because I don't think sellers are done. I don't. And GBI is still holding. But it's okay. Let's try to play this right. And it closed below the 2-minute 20. You bitch. Look, close below it. It's exactly what we want to see for sellers, but it's okay. Let's just reevaluate real quick. Let's reevaluate. Let's look at ES here. Because she seems to be like the one that's keeping her from continuing here. This ALV is still holding. I'm trying a couple more here on NASDAQ. I feel like she just got me too damn good. She got me good. Damn it. That was the move right there. Look, here it comes. Literally. push. Only thing is this position. It's all right. At least we were able to reevaluate it and see it. All right, now that the beak is wet, we're coming into this AOV right here. I don't want to risk too much on this. Because this might be a long. We might be getting ready to play longs out of this. Hold on. Let's see here. Yeah, seller still got this, Todd. Look. I'm so mad at myself for getting clipped on that short play. Oh, that son of a bitch got me. Yeah, here comes the push. On. See if we can get a quick little push here down to PDL. Because what happened is all those people just got stomped out, just like I did. All those people just got clipped. You got to be careful here, though. You don't want to chase it too hard. Yeah, buyers are not giving up right here. This lines up with the fib to the upside too. And it's PDL. The fact we're above PDL alone is bullish. But let's see if we can get that push down to PDL. All right. So now we're retesting this AOV. Look at these buyers on ES right here. Yeah, this is the chop. This is the chop. This is the chop fest right here. This is the chop. This is what you don't want to get caught in. You don't want to get caught dick deep in the chop. We need to buy sellers need to, there we go. They need to close. This 5-minute candle needs to close below that 9. If we can close below that 9, then I'll be a little more confident that we're going to come back down to PDL. If not, and something like this starts to happen, that's where you gotta get super conservative with your next moves. You gotta be super patient, and wait for only good price action, because this PA right here just really isn't. It's not ideal. We got 1 more minute left on this 5-minute candle. I like how it's trying to close. There we go. Oh, look at that. Come on, give me another one. Give me a GBI here is a lot to ask. But I think we're going to get it. Trend's pretty healthy. And like throughout all the chop, I'm still just trying to like regardless, I go, okay, what's happening right now? Green bars have been ignored. Look at the 20 on the 5. It keeps being respected. I'm staying short. Staying short. I'll shave 3 off at by 3. Oh, look at that move down to PDL, baby. Come on, Shug. Come on, Shug. Look at that. There we go. Look at that move. Look at that. Open it up. Open it up. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I'm not going to... J-Cell, you going to take any profit? J-Cell, you going to take any profit today, bro? Ah! Retard. I don't care. It's going to be fine. Good job. Good job holding through that, though, guys. I hope you guys took some profit. Look at that off the 20. That was beautiful. That was really nice. See if we can get some profit taken here at previous day low, because I fumbled that. See, when I trade lower size, I do dumb shit like that. I want every move to be a home run. And next thing you know, I'm stuck holding the friggin' bag. It's okay. It's still bearish. Just super wicky. All right. Well, you know what we're not going to do is we're not going to take a big L on this. So I'm going to... Oh, yeah, that's not good. We're making lower lows in this low trend. So let's see if this can continue here. What's up, Sparky? Got my boy Sparky. Having a little frustrating, but you know, we're doing okay. Just trusting the process. I don't want to neglect these buyers right here. But that 1 hour trend is pushing down on NQ. SPY looks like straight shit. Look at that. Look at that chart. It's garbage. It is a moving average cross in the GBI, though. This could get lovely. If SPY sellers can start to show up to the game, NQ could start to dump. There she goes. All right, I'm going to take some profit at PDL. I'm going to put it a little above PDL. Respecting the 20. Honestly, I should be adding in. I'm not taking profit. I should be adding in off that 20. If SPY starts to shift, this thing could start to sink. Yeah, I'll take 3 off at PDL, and then we'll let the other 3 go. I'm going to start looking at some other trades too. PDL is a super important level. We can't just assume sellers are going to push right through it. As much as we want them to. Oh, profit's been taken. Took some profit there. Okay. Now we're just going to let this rest just kind of do its thing. Oh, if we break PDL, this thing's going down. I like that GBI right there, though. Clean GBI. Let's see what's SPY doing. All right, so honestly, I'm gonna start watching for short plays on ES. That's what the strategy tells me to do. We're gonna let our NQ just kind of do its thing. 20's holding. We're in that AOV though, so I'm completely fine if buyers show up and they take back $78. I don't care, because I'm willing to bet that sellers are going to keep defending that 1 hour trend. And honestly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to start watching this. Oh, let's go. Nice push. Nice push. Throwing 3 on. Let's see if we can get a scalp here. Very nice. Very nice. We'll see how that one plays out. Very nice push. Might not be the best move, but all right, I'll be right down. Let's get our stuff in. Limit buy. We'll shave 3 off right there. Was not the best add in right there, but we're just trading with the trend here. Getting a little far away from that 20. Let's see. Thanks, T. That one up there. Once I got stomped out, and I was like, nah, we're not. We're going to get back in. So on this one, I'm just going to put my stop right up there. Let's see if we can continue. It's touchy because we're coming into PDL and we're getting pretty extended from the 20. So I don't like my add-in on this one. It was kind of impulsive. But I'm going to stick to the overall story, which is that sellers got the ball here. It looks like volume starting to pick up a little bit, and ES as well is starting to shift. So this is key. This is key. I'm going to bump my AOV down. See if sellers can really sink here on NASDAQ. There they are. You see how we did that, guys? We're playing the AOVs. Playing the AOVs. We'll shave 3 right there. Vincenza, I know. Did you actually poop? Okay. I'm right in the middle of a trade. All right, I'm coming. Guys, I got to go wet my daughter's butt. I'm just going to leave my stop where it is. We closed below PDL. Let me just see if there's anything else I could do here. Unfortunately, I got to... Hold on. How do I want to play it? How do I want to play it? Hold on, Chen. Oh, yeah, we're holding this. Look at that 5-minute trend. ES? Are we about? Where's the 2-minute 20 on ES right here? Oh, we're rejecting the AOV here on ES. We need to break PDL, though. That's going to be sketchy here on NASDAQ. But you know what? We're going to let it do its thing. We're going to let it do its thing. All right, here we go. All right. I'll be right back. You know how often this happens to me? This is life as a father / trader. This is literally the reality. Risking a lot here. It's all right. They're minis. All right. How we doing? How we doing? Y'all see how the AOV's holding? Let's get her done. Let's get her done. She's trying. Oh, 2-minute 20 on ES. Look at that. That'd have been a good short play right there. All right. What else do I got going on this weekend? So hold on. Let's see. Yeah, we're just going to keep playing this to the downside. Times almost one. I got to turn this light off. This shit is killing me. We need PDL to break. Where's my fib on this move? I'm interested. So we are right at the fib, the bullish fib. This needs to break. Make this a yellow. That needs to break. Oh, and it just broke. Oh, I tried moving it down. Damn it. See what happened when that fib broke? Damn. It's probably a good thing I had my profit in where it was supposed to be, because this might be the okie doke. Clean move, baby, clean. Good move to the downside there. See, we inching back. At one point, we were down almost like 800, 700. We inching back. Stop above the previous 2 minute. Stop above the previous 2 minute. Don't get afraid. Let her play out. Let her play out, guys. PDL just broke. You guys understand how bearish that is? PDL just broke. We need to stay below it. Oh, we bouncing off end of day on SPY. Oh yeah, that's looking a little sketchy. It's always sketchy. We broke below this AOV, so that's starting to look a little more bearish. You see how every decision I make, though, is based off the AOV or the previous RBI, right? Like, you know, I'm not going, oh my God, buyers are showing a lot of volume. No, I'm not doing any of that. I'm going, okay, we first got in short up here. Then we got clipped on accident. Then we re-entered back in. And now we're just kind of making our way down here. We're adding in as we go. We're taking profits as we go. But every decision I make, I try to make it off an AOV or a fib, right? Or an RBI or a GBI. I really try not to. It's probably going to stop me out, which is fine. I'll just get back in on the next opportunity. I don't want to give too much of this back. This is right at PDL. Oh, we're right off PDL right here, guys. Broke, retest PDL. Call me crazy. I'm throwing just a couple on. I want to see if sellers can hold PDL right here. My stop's going to go right above this wick. Right above that 2 minute. I think those buyers were frauds. They were frauds. They were absolute, utter frauds. Shorting off previous day low on NASDAQ. Let's go. Well done. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. But we do have something going on right here. Oh, guys, if sellers keep taking this, we're gonna keep moving. We're gonna keep moving. We're below that fib. We got to stay below that fib. We got a little bit of time on this candle. Shit. It's all right. We're keeping stop loss pretty tight right here. Pretty tight. I want to keep it a little above that wick. My boy Eric, I appreciate the love, brother. Thank you. Hopefully you were able to capture it. I love when my team's able to eat with me. I really haven't been trading that good today. I hesitated on a bunch of moves in the morning. And you guys see here, I'm trading kind of retarded. But it's okay. We'll get through it. I'm going to give it to the 2-minute 20. I know it's kind of too much, but I just feel like it's the right thing to do. It's a strong turnaround. Let's see. That 2-minute 20 has been holding. If sellers hold it, we'll add in another 3 and see if we can continue this push to the downside. Here's the battle. This is the battle at PDL right here. I don't like that reversal. Don't. Come to the 2-minute 20 here. Giving it above that candle. Ooh, look at that. Come on. Oh yeah, look at the 1-hour trend, guys. Come on. This is oh, this is touchy, man. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah. All right, so we're retesting the AOV here on ES. I don't like how that candle closed on ES to the upside. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. Let's see. We're still in it. We're still in it. I don't like where my entry is on this. This is ugly. Ugly. She ugly. She's ugly. Can she get pretty? Can she get pretty? Oh, so pretty. Oh! 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 Dude, NQ is notorious for this. Watch. Now it's going to... Watch. All right. So, buyers are definitely... Watch it close below the 2-minute 20. That's on me. That was retarded. I shouldn't have done what I did. It wasn't a good move off PDL. This is where you want your entry on this candle. This is the candle. Like, if we close below the 2-minute 20, which we're freaking going to, that's the entry you want. Fucking motherfucker. I'm watching ES. Man, I fumbled that. And I feel like the micros are just, they're making me not trade that well. Is this previous day high? Are we literally at previous? Hold on. Did I not chart this? No, it's end of day. So we just bounced off end of day on ES. So let's see here. Let's reevaluate where we're at. We're at an AOV. Yeah, this is reevaluate time. Reevaluate. Because we got a strong bounce here off this AOV. Buyers are holding this fib. 1-hour trend is still trying to push things down. So let's see here. Hold up. But that's starting to look a little bullish. Oh, look at the Dow. Dow's right at open print. Yeah, the Dow. Look at this on Dow. Dow is literally holding buyers and not giving up on the Dow. The biggest thing when you take a loss isn't just like just be like, okay, like what's the next best move? Is they get in immediately back? Like if sometimes that's a good idea. Like I actually did that earlier. But other times, all right, ES is stomping a lot of people out right now. I'm looking for a pullback here on Dow for long. Dow Jones, speak to me. Off open print. What we doing? I think the Dow's got a chance, dude. Oh, it's right at end of day, too. AOV on ES is not done, dude. It's not done. Which means neither is NASDAQ. I want to see what this retest looks like on the Dowie. Retesting. Because we do have a nice little breakout starting to happen here. And the 1 hour trend it's trying to turn around. She's trying to shift right here on SPY, guys. I think this is a good shifting point. We're right at EOD. We are right. This is key. This is important. It's a clean break and retest off EOD. Sellers have not let go of this spot all morning. I like the 5-minute trend here. Yeah, and this is off PDL on NASDAQ. I feel like this might start shifting in our favor here, or in buyers' favor. But that 1 hour trend, nah, dude. Look at that 1 hour trend on NASDAQ, man. That is bearish. We literally have a GBI to the downside on NASDAQ. Yeah, I can't. This market's just choppy as hell, man. We're like in the trenches right now. Straight garbage. Dow's moving at like the tiniest bit ever. Let's see if we can get an RBI right here. I'll try it. If we get an RBI on ES, I'll try something on ES. I gotta see the RBI though. She could be shifting. I like the bounce off PDL on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's just. All right. I'm going to try something on. Hold on. Yep, I'm going to try something on ES here. I'm in an ES long. We in ES long, baby. I feel like I like that shift. I like the bounce. Let's see if we can get a little continuation here. We're not super far away from the 2-minute 20. Let's see what we can get. We got a clean RBI right there. Let's see if we can get a explosive move. We also have ourselves a little trend right here that we could be coming back up and revisiting. So let's see if we get there. NASDAQ's just not really promising, but you know what? We're just gonna follow the strategy here. I didn't get the best fill, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. All you need is one really good trade to make up for all the losers you had. That's it. That's all you need. We're just going to follow the strategy here. This is the HPT cross. Look at that push. Look at that push. HPT cross, baby. Reliable as hell. Look at that push, man. Who caught this with me? Who catching this with me? Coming up to the trend. And we'll look to add into this. Give me the push. Look at that. NASDAQ push. SPY push. SPX looks pretty good right here. You got to take that. I have to. If I didn't take that, I literally couldn't sleep at night. Got to take it. Got to take it. Oh, come on. Break the trend, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. One candle. Mega push. That might be too much. I might have to trim it. Nah, we're going to let her go. You got to break this trend. All right, NASDAQ coming up to EOD. Got a pocket here. But let's see if buyers can maintain this. Let me see. Where's my low trend at? You know the pocket's going to sucker back a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. Not risking a lot here. Oh. See, this is why we trade our strategy, dude. The HPT cross. Come on now. That's what it's all about. HPT cross. It's a solid little pop. Looking for some continuation here. Looking for a move up to open print. We broke trend. This looks beautiful. The volume's pretty low. But let's see what we get. Once again, this is why it's our job just to always trade the strategy. That's it. Just trade the strat. Trade the strat and see how she rolls. I don't like that strong pop. I obviously we always like a strong pop, but when I see a strong pop, I want to see continuation. That's what's most important. It's like that's what we're trying to get here. Nice healthy push. Come on, baby. We can't end red on a Friday. You crazy? It's not allowed. It's just not allowed. It's fine though. I'm putting a break even on this. No matter what, I'm not losing. I'll get back in, but I'm not gonna lose money on it. I won't allow it. I'm not gonna allow it. Break even. This is a very powerful tool with futures, which I should have been doing all morning. Is when I get into a trade and it pops in your favor, throw a break even on it. Like that way, if some retarded stuff like this starts to happen, you're not losing any money, right? You can always get right back in. Let's see if this 2-minute 5 can hold and buyers can start showing a little bit of strength here. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab my water bottle. Put my take profit all right there. Oh, nice. We caught a good one. We caught a good one, guys. Once again, trade in the HPT cross. The trading strategy that changed my life. What do we got? One contract on this? That's it. All right. Well, let's see if we can get a push. NQ is coming up to a touchy level. Let's see what the story's telling us, though. Very strong green reversal candle on. Biggest takeaway is notice right here, guys, how we came below PDL. Buyers push, got back above it, and now we're above EOD. They're fighting. They're coming back. See if we can get some add-ins here. All right. All right, this one I start doing some push-ups. My eyes start to hurt. And you guys ever get like crazy headaches from watching the charts too much? It's like my eyes will start to hurt when I'm watching every candle. You gotta step away. All right, how do I want to play this? Honestly, it might be... I don't want to play this garbage. Yeah, let's just let her play out. I'm looking to add into this. I feel like this could has potential here. Red bar, ignored, moving average cross. Trend line break. I mean, in a normal market, this would definitely continue. But sometimes you got to adapt. So I'm going to use the 2-minute 20. That's just what we're going to do. We're going to use 2-minute 20. If she can continue to hold, we'll continue to trade with it. I'm actually going to put $60. Should have traded with a 3-pack. This is why, like, I trading lower size can be very difficult. Like, I know the market conditions are choppy, but I feel like when I trade more aggressive, I do way better. That's when I have like my $2,000 days, $5,000 days. Trading one contract, it's just, think about it, because it's a probability game. You're only going to get so many good trades. So you want to trade with a little more size. That way, when you get some good trades, you're actually making, at least $400 or $500. This shitty price action is just, it's gonna. I mean, this thing's moving so damn slow. It's about to be too. So maybe we'll get some more volume coming into the market here in a minute. All right, trend moving up a little bit. I don't like NQ. All right, so I'll put my stop right there. If I get wicked out, I'll find a way to get back in. I want to lock something in. Nice. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Look up here. NQ is being the problem child. We're battling that 50 at the 50 coming into the ALV. If buyers take this though, she can rally. All right, yeah. I'm gonna leave the stop right there. I like that push. Nice. I like us holding this 5 right here. Dow ended up pushing pretty well. Oh, there we go, SPY. Come on. Come on. Nice. Nice. We need these buyers to hold. We need to hold. That's another RBI, maybe? Maybe. Yes, it is. Sure is. RBI number 1, check. Do I want to add in? Do I want to add in? I'm adding in. Add one in. Let's get this little push. Get this push up into the highs. Follow the strategy, guys. Just follow the strategy. That's it. Anybody in this? Oh, maybe. NQ is trying to push. We're coming into AOV. I like the 5-minute trend. I don't like the 1 hour time frame. Don't like the 1 hour time frame. We're just going to leave a break even in. That way we're not losing money. And we'll give it a little room to breathe. If she can continue, she'll go for it. If not, so be it. You gotta try it. And remember, we could always get back in, but I'm not going to risk any money on it. I don't like that we couldn't close above that previous red candle. But I'm looking for this trend to try to hold here. Yeah. And that's that. And he's going to hit me and go. Man, I'm trading. This market's not. This market's challenging. I'm watching these buyers. I think these buyers are still here. Maybe. All right, it's 1:37. I'm going to be calling out trades in the Discord, guys, but I think I'm going to hop off. It's been a long-ass Friday. It's just not working the way I want it to, and when my head's not right, I just don't want to keep pressing it. So I'm going to go eat some, and then I'll update some trades as I see them. Love you guys. Tough market conditions. Don't let them stress you out. Remember, all it takes is 1-2 really good trades to get you right. And same with days, right? Like, don't let a bad day bother you. Don't let it cost you your whole account. Just stay focused on the end game, right? But all in all, I love you guys. Thank you for coming. Be safe. Have a fantastic weekend. Everybody in our Process and Profits Academy, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern. I got a really good session planned out for us. And the topic of discussion is moving averages. So I'll see you guys there.